Myself, Vaishnavi from SNS College of Engineering in the Department of Information Technology. Previously, we saw about the variables. Now, let us see about the many values to multiple variables. Python allows you to assign values to multiple variable in a single line. For example, let us see here x, y, z. Here, these three are different variables. X is separate variable, y separate, and z separate. So, for each variable, we can assign the different values for a different variable in a single line. Here we have used x, y, z. These are the variables, and equal is an assignment operator. Here we give the three values: orange, banana, cherry. When we run this in a program, output will be, if you print x, it will print orange. If you print y, it will print banana. If you print z, it print cherry. So this is about many values to multiple variables. And next, one value to multiple variables. For example, you can assign the same value to multiple variables. So previously we saw that we gave x, y, z, that is different variables. So for these different variables, we're going to assign only single value. So x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to orange. Obviously, all the three values will have a same value. Three variables will have a same value. So x is equal to y, so the y value is equal to x, y is equal to z value is equal to y, and y is equal to x. So these three values are equal. So this is about one value to multiple variables. So far we see a lot of answers. This is about the quiz. So what is a valid variable name in Python? So as we know that variable underscore name. So variable underscore is proper, but it cannot begins with numeric. So A is not an answer. A variable hyphen name. So we cannot use symbols other than underscore. So 2 is not. And when it comes to D, variable name. So here we have a space. So it is not a valid variable. So we can use that variable name here. The answer is C. Yes. Which symbol is commonly used to separate words in a variable name? As we saw previously, we can use only underscore. So B is the answer. Now see, true or false. What should a variable name start with in a Python? So as you all know that a variable name can start with a letter or an underscore. The answer is C. So variable names in Python can include spaces. So variable name in Python can, now let us see about the true or false. Variable names in Python can include spaces, as we know that the variable cannot have space. So it is false. Total amount and total underscore amount are equivalent in Python. So false, because already we said that it is case sensitive. So both statements are false. So comments. Comments can be used to explain Python code and then comments can be used to make the code more readable. So comments is for just understanding it. It is not executable. So there are types of comments: single line comment, multi-line comment. So how to use comments in Python? So comments usually start with the symbol asterisk, and Python will ignore them. Whenever the executor reads the asterisk, it will ignore them. So hash the value 5 is assigned to variable A. This is for the understanding purpose. We said that the 5 is a value assigned to variable A. So the system will not execute this code once it reads the asterisk symbol. Likewise, we can have a multiple symbols. So this is a command written in more than just one line. So for multiple lines, we can use multiple hashes. For a string, multi-line string, we can use triple quotes. So triple quotes, this is a command written in more than just one line. When we given a triple quote, it will assign as a multi-line string, and it will not execute a code. So this is about the multi-line string. And so we saw about the multiple variable names. So in that, there is a cases like this camel case. Each word except the first starts with the capital letter. So when you see an example here, my variable name. So the first letter my, M is small because it is a camel case, which rule is the first letter cannot be a capital and rest of the words should start with capital letter. So variable and name starts with capital letter. This is said to be a camel case. And next is a Pascal case. So here each word starts with a capital letter. So when we say an example here, M also capital because the Pascal case rule is each word starts with a capital letter. Snake case. So the snake case is nothing but each word is separated by an underscore character. So here my underscore variable underscore name. So these are the cases we have to follow when we use the multi-word variable names. So camel case, snake case and Pascal case.